Did you ever hear about these apps that pay you automatically for doing nothing? Now, to be brutally honest, I've never heard about these apps until very recently. I did the research, and in this video I will be revealing top 5 apps that pay you automatically for doing nothing or next to nothing. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in this video I will be revealing top 5 apps that pay you automatically for doing nothing or next to nothing. And this actually blew my mind when I was making the research for this video, so it's super interesting. All you have to do is download these apps to your phone, and you're gonna be rewarded in a number of different ways. So we're gonna go through it. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. And if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I actually know where to send the money to. And I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video, so please stick with me until the end of this video. And also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The top link will take you to my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home, and the rest is a bunch of free resources that you can check out, everything about making money online and working from home. Alright, so right now let's just jump into the content of this video. 5 apps that will pay you automatically for doing nothing. So let me just share my screen with you right here. The first app that will pay you for doing nothing is Mobile Expression. So you can download it, and essentially you just have to have it on your phone and forget about it, because it will work in the background. Essentially, a bunch of companies are willing to pay you for the information that is stored on your phone. So it has nothing to do with private information. It's just recording the trends. So if it checks out, like if you're using apps, or if you're calling someone, or if you're on the internet, or how long are you spending on a bunch of different apps, etc. Okay, so let me just read it off their website right here. Mobile Expression is an elite market research community dedicated to improving the mobile internet. Mobile users are invited to join our panel and help to shape the future of internet you hold in the palm of your hand, simply by sharing your mobile surfing activity with us. So again, you won't be sharing any personal information, just your surfing activity. So if you're gonna go to mobileexpression.com, you're gonna have an FAQ page right here. As you can see, what is the purpose of Mobile Expression? The goal of Mobile Expression is to develop a better understanding of trends and patterns affecting the mobile internet. So a bunch of different companies are actually paying for this data. Let me see here. It says, does your software monitor my phone calls? No. Also, how much space or memory does your software require? The memory required for the phone vary depending on the phone model, but generally it requires less than 100 kilobytes of memory, so it won't really affect the functioning of your phone. How long do I have to participate? It's, you know, the participation in this community is voluntary, so you can have it for as long as you want. You can check out the FAQ page right here. They are answering all of the questions, but in a nutshell, this is what you're gonna do. You just go to the App Store, download Mobile Expression. As you can see, it has 4.3 rating out of 5, so people are pretty happy with it. You know, you can do your own research, but essentially this is what you have to do, is just download this app to your phone, and you will be paid in a number of different ways, including gift cards, etc. Okay, so this is the #1 app, Mobile Expression. You can go to mobileexpression.com. #2 app that will pay you for doing absolutely nothing in automatic payments is Smart Panel, and this is a very similar app. It just records the data off your phone, and essentially companies are interested in that, and that's why they are willing to pay you. So you can shape the future just like with Mobile Expression. You can join today and influence the next generation of your favorite websites, apps, and technology. So you can build a better digital world. You can be part of an elite community. They got some testimonials from here. So about the data that they collect. Previously, the smart app runs in the background while anonymously and securely collecting data about how do you use your device. Okay, so how the data is used, the research data is collected and is used to help with your favorite apps, websites, and technology companies. Essentially, these companies will take this data and they will try to improve on whatever they are doing. Rewards. I got monthly rewards, so we can get $5 just for qualifying and $5 for every 30 days your devices stay connected. Okay, so it's not a ton of money, but again, you don't have to do anything whatsoever. These are automatic payments and you are making these payments just for having this app on your phone. You don't actually have to use it. It will work in the background. So again, Smart Panel, they have a FAQ page. You can check it out. You know, all the information is right here, and all you have to do is just go to the Google Play Store, download it. Now this one has a 3.2 rating, so comparing to a Mobile Expression that had 4.3, you know, it's a little bit less. So you can, you know, do your research. You know, if you want to install one or both or the other one, totally up to you. But these two apps work in a very similar way. Okay. Number 3 is Livecoin, and this one will be available in the App Store and on Google Play. So essentially you'll be earning these Livecoins, and you can exchange them for a number of different items. So a PayPal gift card, an Apple iPhone X, $50 Amazon gift card, iTunes gift card, a bunch of different ways you can monetize this. So your Livecoins can be exchanged for gift cards, sporting goods, and more. We are always adding new items, so you can check it out. And this is very interesting actually, because this turns daily walks into mining sessions. So all you have to do is walk with this app installed. So imagine if you're going to the store, do some shopping, or if you're going around the mall, or if you're going for a run. This app just registers how much you walk, and that's all you have to do. So, you know, it collects Livecoins with every GPS confirmed step. The more steps you take, the more you earn. So it actually will motivate you to walk more, to be healthier, and you know, essentially the only thing that this app does is it just registers your steps. Okay. Yeah, that's about it. You know, super simple idea. It just registers your steps, and you are being rewarded for more steps. And you know, they have a PayPal gift card right here, so you can actually earn real cash and not just like gift cards. All right. So Livecoin, again, you can download it. As you can see, this one has a 4.3 rating, so pretty good. People are actually liking it. So this is the number 3 app that will pay you automatically for doing nothing, just walking. Number 4 is FOAP, FOAP, and you can go to FOAP.com, and this app will reward you for just taking photos and videos. So time to make extra money with your videos and photos. So you know, this will not be doing absolutely nothing, but it's next to nothing, because you already have a million pictures and videos on your phone. All you have to do is just submit them here, and you're going to be paid for it. So you can download it with the App Store or on Google Play. How does this work? Simply upload your videos and photos and earn money. They are a brand agency, and just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or a picture. You know, they are paying to FOAP, and they are going to split it 50-50. So if you have some interesting photos or videos, all you have to do is just upload it to this app, and you're going to be making money from it. So super simple way to make money. And again, you probably already have a million different photos and a million different videos on your phone. All you have to do is just upload it to this app, and you're gonna make money in automatic payments, because you know, once you upload it, it's there, you know, and people will be if someone will decide to pay for it, you know, all you have to do is just upload it once, and people can buy it 1,000 times, and each time you will be paid in automatic payments for doing nothing. So again, FOP, you can sell your photos and images, and this app has a 3.8 review right here. So you can check out all the reviews of people here. But essentially, again, you're gonna be paid in automatic payments for doing next to nothing. All right. And number 5, you're gonna find it at iam.com, and this is the same, not the same exact, but it's a very, very similar idea to FOP. So you will be selling your photos and your videos. So they say, for photographers, your creativity is empowered here. You can download it on Google Play and App Store. Get inspired by 20 million creators, and actually on this app you can add filters to your photos, which will make them just more interesting. Okay, so this is the same exact idea, just the app is a little bit different. Okay, but essentially all you have to do is just upload your photos and videos to this app, and you're gonna be making automatic payments for doing next to nothing. So I am camera and photo filter, 4.3 rating right here. So as you can see, a lot of people are enjoying it, and this is my number 5 app. So I hope you enjoyed all of these apps. You can sell 1 or 2 or all 5 and make some extra money for doing nothing or next to nothing. And right now let's just see who won the $10 from my previous giveaway. All right, so let's just check out my previous video. Okay, so this is my last video, 10 weird websites that pay you daily, easy work at home jobs. You can go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna link to it somewhere here. Let me just grab the URL and let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Let's paste it in, let's filter out the duplicates, and let's see, we have 86 comments. We will start the raffle and pick a random winner. Okay, so we got Angel David Acosta, nice video he says, and I will send him the $10 right now. Congratulations. Okay, so as you are seeing, I just sent $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations again. If you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email. Very, very important, so I actually know where to send the money to. And if you have a question, you can always leave a comment as well together with your PayPal email, and I'm going to answer it if I will pick your comment. And also, please let me remind you again to check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link will take you to my top recommended resource for making money online. You will make hundreds of dollars per day with it. And the rest of the links will give you a bunch of free resources, everything about making money online and working from home. I will see you in the next video. Please check out all the rest of the videos, and ciao. All right, I see ya. Ciao.